We stacked this deck of logs in less than an hour and 20 minutes. This machine has a 1,600 pound capacity. Chained up. As you can see, we just cut 10 trees, all decent size aspens. This normally would have taken us 2 days to move. This machine articulates to get into tight spots. We're working on about a 20-degree slope, and it's having no problem whatsoever. This probably saved us 6 or 7 hours of work. Not to mention the tremendous savings on wear and tear on your spinal column and chiropractor fees.